INFOhio is a collection of premium digital content for Ohio's teachers, students, and parents. Many of our resources are not freely available on the internet. Go to www.infohio.org. Always check to make sure you are logged in with either your school district username and password or as a statewide user. If the box in the top left corner is green, then you are logged in. If it is red, a login is required. To learn more about logging in, watch our video, Logging In to Access Digital Content from INFOhio. Scroll down on the home page until you find the ISearch search box. ISearch is INFOhio's discovery search interface. ISearch lets students explore multiple collections of magazines and journals, newspapers, reports, primary sources, encyclopedias, videos, and eBooks. Reliable content that isn't available on the open web from a single search box, making it easier for you to find the right content for research or other projects. With iSearch, you can search most of INFOhio's reliable digital resources all at once. Think of iSearch as Google for INFOhio. ISearch Mobile is the iSearch we all know and love. iSearch Mobile does everything iSearch does, including placing holds. iSearch Mobile allows students of any age to search on any device for the quality content for reading and learning anywhere, anytime. To learn more about iSearch Mobile, watch our video, iSearch Mobile Getting Started and iSearch Mobile Advanced Searching. To do a basic search, enter your search term and hit Enter or click the magnifying glass icon to the right of the search bar. Results will generate in a list. If your library is set up for holds, your users can place holds just like they can in iSearch. Click the Place Hold button, log into your account with your user ID or alt ID and PIN. Contact your school librarian if you do not have this information. Choose a pickup library if multiple options are available to you. Once you have verified the title and pickup library, click Place Hold. If there are any issues with the hold, you will be notified. Users can use the My Account feature to view any holds they may have placed or holds that are available. To log into My Account, click the hamburger menu to access the main menu. Click My Account. If you are not already logged in, you will be prompted to enter your user ID or alt ID and PIN to access the My Account features. Choose from details such as personal information, checkouts, holds, and fines. Depending on your settings, some of these features may be missing or limited in their scope. Personal information allows the users to set a default list when saving items to a list. Checkouts allows the user to see a list of their checkouts. Holds, a user's holds are displayed and depending on permissions may be able to remove or suspend a hold. Fines, a list of current fines, if any, are displayed along with the payment history. To access My List, click the hamburger menu to access the main menu. Click My Lists. You can choose to add items to a temporary list or create a saved list. To add an item to a list, click the ellipsis icon and choose Add to My List. You will receive a message, Added to Temporary List, with the title listed as successfully added. To view the items or to save the items to a new list, click the hamburger menu and click My Lists. If you have not already logged in, you will need to enter your username or alt ID and PIN to access any saved lists or to save a temporary list. Once logged in, you should now see the items you have added either as a temporary list or as a saved list. Click the corresponding ellipsis to delete or place a hold on the item.